I decided that through Christmas, I would just do things a little bit different with the way that I am videoing things. So I want to welcome you to the Vlogmas. And the point is just to kind of show you through my day and how I do things as a health coach and someone who is trying to nourish my body, but also not make it so difficult that you want to tap out. Because the goal is to make this life sustainable. So healthy can be something that you do every day and not have to be on a diet to actually stay the same size for the rest of your life and to have mobility and strength and energy and all of those amazing things. So that's why I'm showing you how I do it. This is a little bit different this month because as we go through this season, there is a little bit more, we'll call it 80-20 instead of 90-10. I do it in a way to where it doesn't catch up with me. And so that's what I'm showing you. But I want to thank you so much for tuning in. And I would like to hear from you if you don't mind. Just share, how do you feel about this? And what are some of the topics that you would like to hear about from a health coach? I call myself a nutrition and wellness coach because I don't just deal with food, but we also deal with mind, body, and soul. And so any questions that you might have, if you don't mind, if you're interested in this, subscribing, hit that little thumbs up so that I know that you liked it. I would love to hear from you, so please leave a comment. I'm having my green drink almost done. Someone had mentioned that you can do the poached egg without the apple cider vinegar. And so I'm gonna try that today and see how it goes. I just never thought about it. Gonna go ahead and get that heated up. And honestly, it takes forever, so I'm gonna go put my makeup on. My eyebrows have grown in so much from using the castor oil that all I use is this Thrive Instabrow instead of pencil, which makes it so much more convenient. It's one of the amazing things that castor oil does is helps with hair growth. My eggs are so fresh, there's no liquid to discard down there. Here we go. I put everything but the bagel on here. It looks pretty good. We'll see what happens when I crack it open. Moment of truth. Ooh, looks good. Don't need the vinegar. Nice. We're getting ready to go to church and look at this princess. Show me your tights. So cute. Woo! Sparkly shoes. Are you giving that to me? Is it good? Is that delicious? Is it yummy? Oh, look. She's wearing it. More pretty lights. We are here at Alive, their Christmas cantata, which my brother is singing in. Had to come support. I never knew that making applesauce was so easy. Three pounds of apples, some cinnamon. Cinnamon is optional. Half a cup of water, and that's it. Super simple. You don't have to worry about added ingredients. That's what I love. The applesauce is done and the house smells amazing. Look at that deliciousness. You could use a potato masher or a fork, honestly, but I happen to have this beautiful immersion blender. Yum, can't wait for that to cool. I prefer to make my own applesauce because you get to decide what goes in it. So if you want your sweet, you can put a little bit of sweetener, maybe some coconut sugar, some maple syrup or something like that. But let's just eat apples, right? Let's just eat the applesauce. And when they are ripe, they're delicious all on their own. Do you see that there's a missing area right here? That was the mac and cheese. You want more?
Yeah.
Say please.
Please.
Delicious Korean chicken leftovers. The mac and cheese, first of all, is actually healthy. Doing good things for your body. Doing good things for your body. I can't talk today. And if you compare it to going through the drive-thru at one of the fast food restaurants, typically their mac and cheese is going to have somewhere between 50 and 75 ingredients. And this one, I think I counted 7. And that's including water. Big difference.
Baby, naked baby, naked baby. Naked baby, naked baby, naked baby. Naked baby, naked baby, naked baby.
Come here.
Yeah, bye.
I can't do it. Come on, it's clothes on.
What is it? Oh, it's a cup for bingo.
Can we grab it?
Oh, good job.
Nice. Can I have it?